Owazurike raised alarm, says Indigo in Europe and America are sponsoring Nnamdi Kanu to destabilize Southeast. Chief Ralph Owazurike, leader of the Biafran independence movement and movement for the actualization of sovereign state of Biafra, BIM MASOB, says accusation that the incessant attacks in some parts of the southeast are being masterminded by insurgents from the northeast of the country are unfounded. Rather, he said Igbo youth living overseas are behind the crisis and the zone. The Whistler recently reported that the Ohanese Youth Council in a press statement accused insurgents from the northeast of masterminding the increasing attacks in the southeast parts of the country. Conversely, Uwazurike, while addressing the World Igbo Congress European Branch (WICE) during its virtual meeting on security situations in the southeast, said the only insecurity in the land is the one that is being sponsored by Indigo in diaspora. According to him, some Indigo in diaspora, especially America and Europe, are sponsoring the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, to destabilize Ala Igbo with his constant illusionary Fulani herdsmen attacks. In a release by Uwazurike's special assistant on social media matters, Comrade Ima Nnadi, which was made available to our correspondent in Aba today, the founder of MASOB said, "We don't have any security problems here. The southeast is the most peaceful zone in Nigeria. The only problem we have in Igbo land is from our people in diaspora, mainly America and Europe, because they are the people from foreign land telling us that Fulani people have taken over the entire southeast, that Fulani are inside bushes and rivers in the southeast. All these are false propaganda. They are all lies because BIM Masob as an organization is on ground. BIM Masob is in every family in Igbo land. There is no family in Igbo land you will not get a member of BIM Masob. And our security members are writing and submitting security reports on a daily basis about whatever happens in their areas. And we analyze such reports. But you people will be in America and Europe and will be telling the gullible people in Igbo land that Hausa Fulani people have entered our land. This and that are happening in Igbo land. If Hausa people enter Igbo land with trailers and so what? Check how many Igbo people in their thousands that streams to the north and west on a daily basis. If Hausa people, about 3 or 4 enter Igbo land, the entire world will be disturbed unnecessarily because some people have taken such propaganda as their business. They eat with such propaganda and they are ready to be creating crisis in the southeast. But those that are creating that, none of them reside in southeast and Nigeria. Thank you for listening to this news. I will not listen to Ralph Owazurike because I know that that is what he's good at, criticism. If Indigo in America or Europe are sponsoring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what is his problem? What is his own? Why is he punk-nosing? Who is asking him? Who told him to lament? That's some problem. That's what he caused for himself. They gave him an opportunity, he never utilized it. So why is he complaining? To me, it's jealousy. If they like, let them sponsor Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with billions and trillions of naira to make sure that the Fulani herdsmen don't invade the Igbo community. That is his own problem. Why is he feeling jealous? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is far away in British country, yet is more active. He is even more active in the pursuit for actualization of Biafran than he was Ricky that is in Nigeria. Is that not a big slap on the cheek? Is that not a disgrace to him? And he still have the mouth to talk. He still have the mouth to talk. Is that not a disgrace? Eh? He's saying that what they are talking about is not true, that it's a lie. You can see. This is someone that wants to fight Biafran actualization for Indigo. This is what he will be going out to the advanced country to be saying. When the advanced country want to grant Biafran, when they want to intervene for Biafran freedom, this is what he will stand before them and be saying. And before you know it, these people will say, oh, that means they don't think we need Biafran freedom. That's what this person will say. And this kind of person that want us to put him at the forefront, put him in the position of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to defend Biafra, never. It can never happen. I am not a Biafran, but I will tell you the truth that Ralph Ozure is not a material. It's not a material. So let's tell ourselves the truth. Ralph Ozure should look for something else to do. In fact, the mascot that he is leading, he doesn't want leading that group. I'm telling you the truth. He doesn't want leading that group. He should look for something suitable to do for himself. Yeah. You understand what I'm saying? So my viewers, what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is so much on the right track. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the right agenda. No, there is no distraction at all. Let the support for him continue. Uwazurike is just bluffing because no such opportunity is given to him. How much did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu spend during the pandemic? How much did Ralph Uwazurike, spend for the people of Igbo? He that is very, very close to them. How much did he spend? Only to be making noise up and down. My viewers, please, you have to come into this matter. What's your own take? What's your own idea? What's your own observation? Please, deem it fit to leave your own comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.